Are you a pharmacy student about to start your APPE rotations? In this video, I talk about 4 important steps to have successful rotations. Stay to the end where I talk about the most important step to take. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Jessica Louie, and I'm a board-certified critical care pharmacist, associate professor, and entrepreneur. I love helping people find meaning beyond burnout. On the channel, I talk about passive income and simplifying to combat feelings of burnout and stress in your life. I also share openly about my burnout story and how we paid off massive student loan debt. Make sure to watch those videos as well. This video is my personal opinion. Step 1, pick your APPE rotations wisely. For many schools of pharmacy, that means that you are ranking a list of rotations that you're interested in, and there's some type of lottery system to place you into those rotations. Be sure to pick those wisely. Remember, this is part of your tuition and your learning and growth opportunities over that 1 year, usually your 4th year of pharmacy school. So pick them wisely. Sometimes this means that we do want to pick rotations that are challenging to us, that are of interest to us, because at the end of the day, as a student, this is the only opportunity you're really going to get to experiencing some of the unique aspects of pharmacy and really learn and grow from them. You know, a lot of times there's not that many places that will allow you to shadow or to intern for 6 weeks like an APPE rotation allows you to do. So you can really try out different areas of pharmacy that you're really interested in, want to get some more experience in. So you want to have these challenging rotations. They're going to push you beyond some of your stretch goals. Step 2, set expectations the first day of the rotation. For many students, APPE rotations are 6 weeks long, and it's really important that the first day of the rotation that you're setting up expectations with your preceptor. This should mean that you're going over the syllabus together, you're going over the calendar together, and hopefully you're also sharing your personal goals and how the preceptor can customize the rotation to your personal goals and your interest areas over the next 6 weeks. And this is also really important to get on the same page about expectations, whether there are grading rubrics that are being used to grade you on presentations or how you show up and present different cases. Make sure that that's really clear up front, because we never want to get to the midpoint of the rotation and the student or the preceptor is not on the same page about expectations because the conversation was not had during that first day or the first week of the rotation. Make sure that you ask questions during this process and make sure that you get clarification about anything you are confused on. Step 3, be prepared. Make sure that you're prepared for rotation, whether that means preparing for topics ahead of time, studying the night before, or coming early to work up patients so that you feel prepared and confident when you are talking to your preceptor or the interprofessional healthcare team. This could also mean that you are prepared with drug information resources, whether you're using LexiComp or Micromedics as your drug information resource, or whether you're using the CDC vaccination guidelines for some of our preventative care services. Make sure that you feel prepared and confident in your rotation and how you're interacting with the interprofessional team. Step 4, ask questions. Remember, this is your learning experience and it's important that you're getting the most out of it. Make sure that you are asking questions. Sometimes this means that you will want to write them down in a notepad that you carry around with you throughout the week, and then there's a specific time that you ask these questions to your preceptor or the healthcare team, whether that's once a week or at the end of the day, so that you are continually learning and growing from this, taking notes during that process. What is the most important step to have successful APPE rotations? I think that means that you are setting up expectations early on. It's very transparent, it's very open and honest, so that there's no unmet expectations after the 6 weeks together, making sure that you're getting your personal goals out there and hopefully being able to customize a really challenging rotation so that you can learn and grow over the next 6 weeks. How are you preparing for APPE rotations? Please comment below, and make sure that you're also watching our videos on pharmacy residency application season and how to prepare for your board exams and studying for NAPLACs. Until next time, cultivate joy.